places in this world where nature makes its intentions very clear, and the Golden Gate Strait is one of them. For decades, the world insisted it couldn't be done, that the forces were too strong, the risks too high, the idea unrealistic. It was impossible. Later, it remains more than an engineering achievement. It stands as proof. A city surrounded by water refused to be boxed in by nature. Because in the end, the line between impossible and inevitable is drawn in steel. The Golden Gate Bridge.